Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install LinkedIn account in a Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, go to the Microsoft Edge browser. Go to the Edge browser. In this browser, here search for LinkedIn account. Click on here and search for LinkedIn. And here we find first option is LinkedIn login. Click at the first option. Open it. It is an official website of the LinkedIn. And here at the top, we find three dots. Click on this three dot. In these three dots, here we find apps. Go to the apps. In apps, we find install this site as an app. Click on this, install this site as an app. It's asked for to install or not. Go to the LinkedIn. Here we find many things. Go with the LinkedIn and click on the install. And our app is installed. If you want to create a desktop shortcut, then click at here. If you want to auto start on the device login, I don't want, and I click on the allow and close it. On desktop, we find LinkedIn account. Also in the our app list, go to the start. Here you find in app list, type LinkedIn, and here we find LinkedIn account. Open it from the desktop or from the start. I open it from the desktop, and here we find our LinkedIn account. Log in with your LinkedIn account and it's open as an app on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.